aba bashobora ngo bahitya mezana batakutunga mushara gwabo uko abandi bo bagira ngo barake kwityo mwaka batakushashirwa
anza kumara myezi 5 ndakubagana bansaswiro myezi 5 hati nyakamara hati myezi 2 ntakusasurwa kwa kabiri kwa kasatu ati kwa kana no kwa kana tulishuwa
gurigira Abashomesa abumushaki weitu yagambaho nabo bashobora ngo bamaziro bwire batwara okwetombo ita kwabo abebembezi borembo konkata bakatungaga kugarkwam Robert Sebayuza uri Mushomesa ayishomere ryabo icya Muslim Secondary School yashobora ngo bwahati baca mu kwerundana bakaza akitebe kikuru icyo rembo okutunga kushoborwa awenzi bamaro bwiro bwona batakutunga mushara.
We have come to seek clarification as to why we have not been paid for the last 3 months. Many teachers have gone without salaries. Others have not been paid since last year.
Yugu yayinjira yashobora uku districts ezindi ezoitorero rembo rwa Hoima ziri kushashira Abashomesa umushara gwabo ngukonka rembo rwa Hoima rwonka ndo rwaciremo ukore by'Abashomesa.
Our request and our demand for that matter is we need to know when shall we be paid and why is it that other districts, other cities and the neighboring districts, for them they get paid. Is it only in Hoima city where the vote for secondary school teachers is never enough?
Furingo ngogumwe Steven Bijirwa uri Mushomesa yashobora ko Abashomesa bamwe behirwa mbitweke bindi bakareto mu rembo rwa Hoima umwaka gweyire ngukonka no kwityo bwirobu bakatunga gamushara gwabo.
He has told you some other people are missing 1 month, others 2, others 3, 4, some are even missing 1 year. You find somebody who was posted here and misses the whole year without salary.
Muringo ngogumwe Bijirwa yashobora ko Abashomesa benzi barukubisibwaho mushara gwabo ubwo barukozesa ukurebera amakagabo hoteyeho no kwera abana babo hamwe n'abanyabuzare.
Issue of salary is the source of income for secondary school teachers and for all civil servants. From Monday to Friday we are in class teaching. We do not have time to monitor our businesses. We do not have time to monitor our gardens. The only source of income is teaching.
John Bosco Adiru uri Mushomesa ayishomere rya Bhanika Secondary School hamwe na Simon Agaba ayishomere rya Duhaga SSCT bashobora uko Abashomesa ba secondary bamaziro bwire burengwa barara kubi hamwe n'abamakagabo abo butatunga mushara.
Teachers are really very bitter. You know, we also have children. We have people we stay with. We don't have what to eat. Children are at home, they are not going to school. Even transport, some of us work in very distant schools. Transport to go to school is a problem.
Ubu yabanagamba ho n'abanyamakuru urumeya w'urembo rwa Hoima Brian Kaboyo yashobora ko Abashomesa aba barukuza kutunga umushara gwabo ukwezoku uteireho nezo esente ezibosire nibabanja
iyo mukwa kana kuno na area zawe kandi wa misinga zigenda kusasurwa ekyo baketegereza kandi bagenda basimire kwiroho abairo challenge Abashomesa nkamusanju abakaba batakatiko waga payroll
bakuraga gasha kwa God asaba aba Sky TV agenshonga murembo rwa Hoima.